Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Blackview BV6600E. Firstly, you need to go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Blackview. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. After that, select Send on Nokia and Receive on Blackview. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. You need to select Close this window on Blackview and click on this scanning icon over here if you wish to scan QR code. Now select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. But you can also just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!